Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well today. In this lesson, we are going to practice daily life English questions and answers. These questions are very common, simple, and useful for real-life conversations. The answers are short, clear, and natural, so you can easily remember them and use them in your daily speaking. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need to speak perfect English. Just listen carefully, repeat slowly, and enjoy the practice. Let's begin. How do you usually start your day?
I start my day calmly and prepare myself for daily tasks.
What do you do after waking up?
I freshen up and get ready for the day.
How do you feel in the early hours?
I usually feel fresh and relaxed.
Do you follow a daily routine?
Yes, I try to follow a simple routine.
Why is routine important?
Routine helps me stay organized.
What makes your day productive?
Completing planned tasks makes my day productive.
How do you manage your time?
I plan my tasks and avoid distractions.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I take a short rest to refresh myself.
How do you end your day?
I relax and prepare for the next day.
What habit do you value most?
I value consistency in daily life.
How do you handle responsibilities?
I handle them with patience and planning.
What do you do when work feels difficult?
I stay calm and continue step by step.
How do you stay focused?
I avoid unnecessary interruptions.
Do you like planning your work?
Yes, planning helps me work better.
What motivates you to work?
Personal growth motivates me.
How do you deal with pressure?
I take things slowly and stay calm.
What do you do after finishing work?
I take time to relax.
How do you improve your skills?
I practice regularly.
What makes work meaningful?
Learning something new makes it meaningful.
How do you handle mistakes?
I learn from them.
How do you feel when things go wrong?
I feel upset, but try to stay positive.
What do you do when you feel stressed?
I take deep breaths and relax.
How do you handle anger?
I control my emotions and stay silent.
What makes you happy?
Peace and progress make me happy.
How do you calm yourself?
I focus on my breathing.
What do you do when you feel sad?
I give myself time to feel better.
How do you stay positive?
I focus on good thoughts.
What helps you feel confident?
Regular practice helps me.
How do you deal with fear?
I face it slowly.
What gives you peace of mind?
Clear thinking gives me peace.
How do you talk to others?
I speak politely and clearly.
What do you do when someone disagrees?
I listen calmly.
How do you express your opinion?
I speak honestly and respectfully.
What makes communication effective?
Listening carefully makes it effective.
How do you react to criticism?
I accept it positively.
Do you prefer listening or speaking?
I prefer listening first.
How do you avoid conflict?
I stay calm and respectful.
What matters most in conversation?
Understanding matters most.
How do you improve communication?
I practice daily.
What do you do when misunderstood?
I explain myself calmly.
How do you spend time with family?
I talk and share moments with them.
Why is family important?
Family gives emotional support.
How do you maintain relationships?
I stay honest and caring.
What do you enjoy with friends?
I enjoy meaningful conversations.
How do you help others?
I help whenever possible.
What makes a good relationship?
Trust makes a good relationship.
How do you show respect?
I speak politely.
What do you value in people?
I value honesty.
How do you handle disagreements?
I try to solve them peacefully.
What makes social life enjoyable?
Good communication makes it enjoyable.
How do you learn new things?
I learn through practice.
Why is learning important?
Learning helps growth.
How do you improve daily?
I improve by small efforts.
What skill do you practice?
I practice communication skills.
How do you stay consistent?
I stay disciplined.
What motivates learning?
Curiosity motivates learning.
How do you handle failure?
I try again.
What helps you grow?
Experience helps me grow.
How do you stay focused on goals?
I remind myself regularly.
What does success mean to you?
Progress means success to me.
How do you make decisions?
I think calmly before deciding.
What helps you stay calm?
Positive thinking helps.
How do you handle uncertainty?
I stay patient.
What guides your choices?
My values guide me.
How do you deal with doubt?
I trust myself.
What keeps you balanced?
Clear priorities keep me balanced.
How do you face challenges?
I face them confidently.
What improves your mindset?
Self-reflection improves my mindset.
How do you stay hopeful?
I believe in improvement.
What makes you strong?
Patience makes me strong.
What do you do when plans change?
I adjust calmly.
How do you handle delays?
I wait patiently.
What do you do when busy?
I focus on priorities.
How do you manage distractions?
I limit them.
What do you do in free time?
I relax and learn.
How do you handle responsibilities?
I handle them carefully.
What helps you stay organized?
Planning helps me.
How do you prepare for tasks?
I prepare in advance.
What do you do when confused?
I seek clarity.
How do you manage energy?
I take breaks.
Why are good habits important?
They make life easier.
How do you build habits?
I practice daily.
What habit do you want to improve?
I want to improve consistency.
How do habits affect life?
They shape daily life.
What breaks bad habits?
Self-control breaks them.
How do you stay disciplined?
I stay committed.
What habit helps success?
Consistency helps success.
How do you relax daily?
I take quiet time.
What improves daily life?
Positive habits improve life.
How do you maintain balance?
I manage time well.
How do you build confidence?
I practice regularly.
What reduces fear?
Experience reduces fear.
How do you speak confidently?
I stay calm.
What helps self-belief?
Small success helps.
How do you overcome hesitation?
I practice speaking.
What improves self-esteem?
Positive self-talk improves it.
How do you stay motivated?
I remember my goals.
What helps personal growth?
Learning helps growth.
How do you stay encouraged?
I focus on progress.
What builds inner strength?
Patience builds strength.
So, this brings us to the end of today's practice. I hope these questions and answers helped you feel more confident in English. Remember, improvement comes from daily practice, not from pressure. Speak a little every day. Make mistakes without fear. Confidence grows step by step. If you found this practice helpful, keep practicing it again tomorrow. Your English is improving, even if you don't notice it yet. Thank you so much for your time. Take care, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next lesson.